श्री मनाचे श्लोक श्लोका number 65 English translation and explanation. Sri Manache Shlok were written by Samartha Ramdas Swami. They are a dialogue with our mind. नको दैन्यवाणे जिने भक्ति ऊणे अति मूर्खत्या सर्वदा दुःख दूणे धरी रे मना आदरे प्रीती रामी नको वासना हेमधामी विरामी. Always reject lowly life devoid of devotion. The extremely foolish person always suffers double. O my mind, hold a respectful love and devotion towards Rama. Without Rama, shun the desires even for the golden home. Some keywords used in this shloka are Dainyavane means pitiful, Bhakti Une means without devotion, Murkha means stupid, Dune means double, Adare means respectfully, Vasana means desire, Hemadhami means place of gold. Virami means without Rama. Samartha Ramdas Swami continues the thoughts from the last shloka, which was number 64, in this one. What is the point of this precious life if there is no devotion towards God? It is going to be the one which is pitiful, sad, and full of suffering. The only way to make it worthwhile is going to be believing in God, who is taking care of the balance of life for all, including nature. Those who are extremely foolish suffer twice as much all the time. It is said that everything happens twice. First in our minds and then when it actually happens. This applies to good things as well as bad ones. For the foolish person, he first goes through the pain in his or her mind and then again experiences the pain when things don't go as per their desires. The lust, greed, and the sensual pleasures they desire will keep them irritated, angry, always self centered, and unhappy. The only way to make this life beautiful and satisfying is to keep respect and love, devotion towards God, Lord Rama. In this world, normal human beings are treated as gods just because they are celebrities, are famous in some entertainment field or some other fields. Many of them do deserve the respect and love they get from millions of people as they are doing some great work and helping millions in many ways. If we then compare what these superheroes and leaders are doing to the creation and maintenance of this amazing universe consisting of an infinite number of species, nature, and complexities involved due to the scope which is beyond our imaginations, we realize that there is no comparison. God is taking care of all of this for zillions of eons until now, and will continue to do so in the future. It will be really pitiful life if we do not even realize this simple truth about the supreme power, God, and not have the respect, love, and devotion towards God. The desires towards the pleasure of life and all of the sensual pleasures to satisfy the greed might end up for some in having the greatest of material pleasures around them. They might end up living in mansions full of every amenity and golden touch in everything within that mansion. But if they do not have the devotion towards God, they will not live a peaceful life. There is a key difference between success and satisfaction. Success is something that others decide about us based on what we achieve in this world. Looking from outside, someone having every precious possession will look to be extremely successful to many, but the satisfaction is something which is what we have in our mind. It is not based on anything others feel or say. It comes from within. We can be surrounded by golden mansion and every thinkable sensual pleasure all around us. But if we are not happy from within, then all of that is useless. This satisfaction will only come from being selflessly helpful to others in this world, and also by realizing that whatever so called success we might have is a gift only because God is helping us in everything we do. Hence, O my mind, leave aside all these sensual pleasures and desires and have total devotion towards God. Know that God is in everyone and is with us all the time, and all that is resulting in so called success is because of that supreme power. नको दैन्यवाणे जिने भक्ति उणे अति मूर्खत्या सर्वदा दुःख दूणे धरी रे मना आदरे प्रीती रामी नको वासना हेमधामी विरामी. Join me in the humble effort of spreading this amazing part of our Maharashtrian literature and culture to the English speaking community in the entire world. Be proud of our culture. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel A Dialogue with Our Mind. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ.